This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the Precious Metals Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me right now is Fernando Ganoza from Atico Mining Corp. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you, ATY on the TSX Venture and ATCMF in the US. Fernando, welcome to SNN.Live.
Thank you for having me.
It's great to have you. So for our audience, let's start off with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Absolutely. We mine a high-grade copper and gold VMS in Colombia. It's in production. It's making a healthy cash flow. And we have a life of mine of 6 years and significant exploration potential to increase that resource.
So let's get a history of the company. When did it start, and how did you develop to where you're currently at today?
Sure. Atico was formed by the Ganoza family, the same family that started Fortuna Silver Mines, a mining family from Peru. And we started the company in 2012 on the back of this asset with some exploration success at El Roble. And the interesting thing about El Roble is that it's a VMS at the center of a large land package, which means it is prospective to find other VMSs surrounding it. So that's the main goal here. We have exploration potential, but we also have a nice, healthy cash flow from the operation.
So what would you say makes your company unique when compared to some of your peers out there?
Well, the first thing is that we are actually generating cash flow. So the downside of the exploration potential is mitigated by the fact that we don't have to constantly go back to the market to raise money. But with the exploration potential, the upside is intact. It's there. So we are an exploration play, a very interesting one, with a generous, healthy cash flow. And as of yesterday, we closed a transaction with Atico Mining that brings another high-grade VMS into the story now in Ecuador that we're planning on developing and putting into production as well.
And what's your background? I mean, I got to know, what was your experience prior to joining Atico?
Well, I'm a mining engineer by background. I'm part of the Ganoza family. I started Fortuna Silver Mines with my two brothers and my father. We've been in the mining business forever. I'm a fourth-generation miner from Peru. So there you go. That's what we do. We build mines and operate mines.
It's just in the blood.
It is.
So then from what you can tell me, what are some of the company's value catalysts now moving forward for the rest of 2019 going into 2020?
Absolutely. At El Roble in Colombia, we're going to be exploring aggressively looking for other VMSs. And we're also going to be working in the next 6 to 18 months in developing La Plata project in Ecuador and develop it into a construction decision. At the same time, we're also exploring La Plata has also exploration potential beyond the 2 million tons of high grade they have.
And where can our audience go and find more information about Atico?
Well, you can go to the website, aticomining.com. You can see all of the information about the new acquisition of La Plata in there and the exploration potential that El Roble has in Colombia.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the Precious Metals Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me again has been Fernando Ganoza from Atico Mining Corp, publicly traded company, two symbols for you, ATY on the TSX Venture and ATCMF in the US. Fernando, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you very much for having me again.